This is the box that I built. What I had was a 12 foot 2x12 left over that was scrap, and I wanted to get rid of it, so I used that to build the box. What you'll notice here is just to try to get the full width that I could out of the limited material I had, I put these corner brackets on just to allow me to get a little bit more width here and increase the weight of this. So this thing is about 4.8 cubic feet, I believe. So put the box together and then drilled some holes for my drawbar. Bought a drawbar and just then slid it through, and then just bent a couple dollars worth of rebar that I'm putting in here. And on the front, you'll notice I've added in this and then this piece. Basically, when I pour the concrete, I want that to be cut out a little bit just so that the 3-point hitch doesn't get into it. I don't think it will on my machine, but I just wanted to be safe. So you can see where my daughter went to town on it with a pen and some chalk, so it's nice and colorful. So I'm going to get ready to start putting some concrete in this thing. to show an image quickly of the quick hitch that I used. So I just ordered this off of Amazon, bent a piece of rebar, and that's what I used as the top hitch. And then here are a few pictures of the final product. So I thought I'd share some dimensions on this weight that I built. So the top width, 21 inches. And then the kind of length, 22 inches. Height, 18 inches. I use 10 bags of 60-pound Quikrete, and as you can see, I don't think I got my concrete wet enough in a few places. So I think had I mixed it a little bit better, gotten some more water in there, it might have taken another bag or so. And then the center line on this is, what is it? About 8 inches to the center line on the drawbar, and this top hitch should be about centered with the drawbar. I think I'm about 1 inch further back. I didn't do that on purpose. I think if I were to do this again, I'd move everything 1 inch at least forward. So the drawbar and this at least an inch forward. I got lucky. Everything seems to fit and work good. But I think adding another inch of space up on the front side would have helped this out a little bit. So, but I can go all the way down and all the way up, and that block of concrete doesn't get into my hitch at all. But you know, as you'll see in some of those pictures, it's kind of close in a few places. So, other than that, I think things went pretty well. As you'll see, these cutouts that I put here and up here ended up being pretty important, especially that top one with this handle here on this hitch. Yeah, that should do it.